So today we are going to do the unboxing of the brand new PlayStation 5 Slim version. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the Spider-Man 2 edition, and then that comes with the device itself, a remote control, and obviously the game. On the side here again, we just have the Sony PlayStation 5 and a couple of instructions here. At the back of it, we do have other informations, and most of the time here is like the device and the controller. And also here, as you can see, we do have the 1 terabyte version. Okay, as you can see here, this is a brand new PlayStation Slim. I'm gonna use my knife here and break the seal here for the first time. That's good. And we are gonna open it now. Okay, as usual, we have a very nice packaging from Sony. So I'm going to flip this up here like this. I think I ripped it already up. Oh, finally. So it's now out. Okay, and then we're gonna see what we have inside of the box. Okay, so first thing we see in the box, obviously we do have the power adapter here. This is just a regular power. This goes to the PlayStation, and then you plug this in the wall. And here we do have a HDMI cable. I think this is a 8K, so this can go up to 8K. And then we have a USB type C connector on both sides. And obviously we do have the PlayStation controller. This is a white and black accent, so it's very, very good. And then it is amazing. We are going to come to this very shortly. Inside of the box there was a small tools, and then as you can see here, I don't know what this is, but we are going to find out shortly. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's now see what else we have inside of the box. Actually, this thing I just showed you recently, we have 2 of them. It's 2. I don't know why we have 2, but definitely we are going to see what is about. So let me open this one. And then inside of the box, obviously we do have the PlayStation quick start guide. So if you have never used a PlayStation before, obviously you want to read through this. And we have another one again, so a lot of documentation. We continue, and then we take out the PlayStation itself. Oh, actually we do have now the Sony PlayStation game that was included into this package. Before they used to send us CDs, but now it's only a code that is scratch, and you can redeem this PlayStation game. And this is Spider-Man 2. This is a brand new that came out recently. And then we're gonna take out the PlayStation itself. Okay, and as you can see here, inside of the box there's nothing else anymore, so we can put this on the side. And then we have the PlayStation here. Okay, it is very, very small compared to the old PlayStation we have. This is very, very, very small. Okay, so there we go. It is very small, like really, really small. And here it is. Very, like I said, it's very, very small. I have the old PlayStation 5, the big one, but I'm gonna compare this together with this one very shortly. So okay, so this is it. I'll let you enjoy it first. Okay, so now I don't know what position this is gonna be on, but again, we have the CD slot. This is not the digital version. We have the CD slot here, and then in the front we do have 2 USB type C. We have a power button, and then that's it. On the old PlayStation 5 we do have 1 USB type C and 1 regular USB. On the either side we don't have anything we have this small hole here. On the other one, PS5, this help for the stand, but I don't know if you have a stand on this one this time. And then at the back of it, we do have a couple of ports here. We have where you can plug your adapter. We plug it here. We have a 2 USB type 3.0. We have a 1 landline for the internet connections, and we have your HDMI port for the TV if you want to connect this to the TV. Okay, and then that's it. That is really pretty much all right. So we are going to move on with the installation. So these two things that we talked about is basically stays here. I'm going to flip this over. You're going to put it here. So it looks like it's the stand. You push it in, and then we're going to push the other one also in. There are some holes in there, so you can feel it when you get into place. If I'm not mistaken, I have to remove this small plastic here. There we go. And then we can put it in here, opposite. So there we go. So we put it in like this, and then we can put it like this. So it is really, oh yeah, that's nice. It's very, very, very stable. It's very good. It's very stable. So this actually makes it stand high. Because of this bump here, we have those two stands that makes it very, very stable and comfortable. And this is very, very good. So again, like I said before, this is the same remote we have before, nothing too different. And then yeah, regular remote control. This is very, very good. Okay, so again, as you can see, this is all that came in from the box. We have the PS5 Spider-Man. It is right here. So again, on my next video, I'm gonna do the comparison between the PS5, the old version, and the new version. So this was just a quick unboxing. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. We are also gonna turn this on and set it up and see what is the difference in performance between the new one and the old one. This is Maxi Limit signing out.